and the disease. And these guys actually want to be in control. So for them, being consumer-centric would be that they're able to literally negotiate with you that this is what we want, this is the quality we want, and this is the price we are willing to pay for them. And as an organization, you are in business to make profit.
Thank you.
And presents the regulator of the decade to Nigerian Communications Commission.
The next one, Madam, okay. Madam Chairman, sorry, I'm supposed to have been there. Thank you. Please always stay in the middle. I've been coaching Madam Chairman throughout today, the picture protocol. Thank you very much. So while we wait, those who are on the table, those who are on the podium will continue to stay there. So thank you very much. Call on them. Okay, thank you. She's already there. The PR agency of the decade. If you know CMC Connect, I don't think there's any brand journalist in this hall today that has never had in contact with CMC Connect. And Yomi Badejo is an iconic figure in integrated marketing communication company industry. Please put your hands together for you, please.
CMC consistency and congratulations.
And I'm proud and happy to present to you this award of PR Agency of the Decade presented to CMC.
Thank you very much. Do we have the representative of Omojafor in the house, please? Please, you guys here, please. The advertising personality of the decade. If you know, Udame has done so well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yes, exactly. Let's have Mr. Yomi's award package.
I present to you Mr. Omojafor, ably represented here as the advertising personality of the decade. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
The representative, or if Folaka Nimumuni is here, the female marketing personality of the decade, First Bank, Folaka Nimumuni, please. Please. Where is the chairman of the Lagos State NIPR? She can do us the honor to take all Madam Bumi, okay? This is a woman.
Yes, she's coming.
Where is the person?
No, Mrs. Mwako is coming.
Okay, I thought she stepped up. Thank you very much. Thank you. Stanbic IBTC, the financial brand of the decade, please. Is anyone here for Stanbic IBTC?